Greetings and welcome. My name's Aaron, and this is a channel update to let you know what's been going on and what's going to be going on in the future, because there's going to be some changes, including a new name and look, and some new videos and series coming out. So let's talk about it. So a lot of things have been changing lately, like me getting a little puppy, and the name of this channel. If you've noticed lately, I've actually been using a different name. So instead of Let's Learn This Together, which is what it's been for a long time, it's actually changing to Red Mage Creative, or RMC. So why the name Red Mage Creative? Well, if you've ever played Final Fantasy, it's a class that specializes in pretty much all magic, but is not an expert in anything itself. And for me personally, and maybe you've seen it if you've been on this channel for a while, I like to jump around. I like new topics, new subjects, new games. I like trying lots of different things. I pick up hobbies left and right all the time. Game dev is one of those that I've stuck with, and even then, I feel like I hit so many different areas within it that I'm not a master, but I really enjoy learning and doing all of these different things. And it hits that I grew up with Final Fantasy. I'm playing Final Fantasy right now with my kids and my brother, and we're playing 6, which is obviously the best. And it's great. And Red Mage just kind of hits that for me, like master of none, but great at all of these different things. And I feel like that's kind of where I'm at, and also kind of where I want the channel to go. I don't expect this channel to be a niche only GameMaker tutorial channel. I want to expand that. I want to get beyond the borders of simply GameMaker and into the realm of game dev in general. Hence a name change along with some new video ideas. So some of the things will be staying the same, like GameMaker tutorials and videos. They're not going anywhere. But we'll be adding a more variety of awesome content, like video essays on the indie game and the games industry in general. Live gameplay like you saw recently. I'll also be doing some dev vlogs on the game that I am working on, which are coming out real soon. And the one from behind the camera, the one working the magic in the shadows, is going to be coming in front of the camera as well. Welcome my partner, Zach. Someone that you've seen before, but not for a while.
Hi everybody, Zach here. I have been in exactly one video in the past. What I do normally is, as Aaron has described, the behind the scenes stuff. So I'm going to be bringing content that is not on the dev side of things. I myself am not a coder, but that might be something I might be learning in the future. So some things you can expect from me are going to be videos about the indie game industry, things that are going on. I'm very excited to bring that there, and as well as a platformer tournament that I'm excited about. I myself have never found a platformer game that I've liked, so that could be something that I'm hoping you folks can help me out with, finding the one great game. So I'm excited to bring all kinds of new content, some great stories, and just see where we can grow this together.
So, oh, sorry. So you go ahead.
I was just gonna go for it. We're gonna stick it in the middle. I mean, jump cuts aren't new to anybody. So
go. Right. So there's a lot that's gonna be changing. We're gonna have a bunch of new videos, new series,
indie game dev stories, indie gaming industry stories, all sorts of things.
There's gonna be a ton of new stuff. We're super excited about it, and I hope you are too. So as always, keep making,
keep learning,
and this time, stay tuned.